Now beta, in this video we will study about the types of allergy. One is the seasonal allergy, second one is the perennial. First we will discuss about the seasonal allergy which can happen during a particular season. Like airborne allergens such as spore, pollen, smoke and dust are common seasonal allergy triggers. For example, allergy due to a particular type of pollen occur during the flowering season of that plant when the pollen count in air is high. Second, allergic reaction due to dust and smoke may increase in the winter. Why? Because in winter the air is heavy and it traps smoke and dust closer to the ground. Other seasonal allergies are conjunctivitis and the hay fever, which is also triggered by the pollen or spores occur during a particular season. And the common symptom of them are itchy, red and watery eyes and common to both conditions. Hay fever also causes watering of the nose and sneezing. Second type of allergy is perennial allergies, and these type of allergy can happen throughout the year. Like dust, mold, cockroaches, perfume and pet dander. Food item, medicine, contact allergen are common perennial allergy trigger. Another perennial allergies can be asthma and eczema. Asthma is characterized by coughing, wheezing, breathlessness and tightening of the airways. And eczema is a broad term used for condition that causes patches of the skin become very dry, scaly and continuous itching and thickened of that particular place. Now better test for the allergy. First of all, you should know you are allergic to which substance. For that we have to do some tests. First is the skin prick test, in which a drop of liquid containing the allergen is placed on the skin and pricked with a small needle to allow the allergen to enter in the skin. If the lump surrounded by a reddish area appear, the test is positive. Second type of test is patch test, in which allergen containing patches are applied in the skin and usually on the back. Then these patches are removed after 2 days and skin is examined for the reaction to the allergen. Third is blood test. Blood tests for detecting allergy are based on identifying and measuring the certain protein that body produces to fight against the harmful things or the germs that enter inside these. These type of proteins are known as the antibodies and usually produced to fight against the harmful bacteria and virus. They are produced by the white blood cells. In case of people who are allergic to substances, the body produces antibodies to fight against these normally harmless substances. So if you know that you are allergic to the particular substance, you should avoid that. For example, if you are allergic to the gluten which is present in the wheat, you should avoid gluten present in the maize, you can avoid it. If you are allergic to the milk product, you should avoid the milk product. Now prevention of allergy. Beta, the following precautions to prevent allergic reaction. First, if you have the allergic to the pet dander, it is advisable not to have a pet. Okay, so avoid the pet. Next is, if you are allergic to dust, avoid using heavy carpet, rug and heavy curtains because dust generally accumulate in these things. Next, wear goggles and protecting mask while cleaning the rooms. Especially you have to cover your eyes and mouth. If you are allergic to pollen, keep the windows of the house shut during the pollen season. And if you have to go out, you should use mask and goggles. If you are allergic to mold and spores, so stay away from the damp places, means the wet places where generally the molds are growing. Then if you are allergic to food items or the medicines, so do not take medicine without the prescription of the doctor. But one example I am going to give you. In your book it is given, when you buy a packet food or the canned food, you can see below the ingredients the things are written like gluten, wheat, egg, milk, because generally people, mostly the peoples who are allergic, they are allergic to these substances, either gluten or wheat, egg or milk. So if for example I am having allergy towards the gluten, so I should avoid this canned food. If you are allergic to egg, you should avoid this canned food. Even though if you are buying the chocolate beta, at the back side below the ingredient you can see written includes the milk and milk product. So if you are allergic, you should avoid. That is why you have to read the instruction carefully. Next beta, avoid using cosmetics, perfumes and other products to which you are allergic. If you are allergic to sunlight, so cover your face well or the body well when you are going out. And if you have an allergic reaction, you have to see or contact your doctor immediately. So these are the precautions which we can take if we are allergic to a particular substance. So you have to go through this chapter, learn this chapter, means all the pink words also you have to go through.